Well, good Tuesday afternoon, everybody. We have a clipper system that's going to be making its way through the region overnight tonight. It'll give some light accumulations to the area. Really not a big deal, and most of those accumulations will be to our north. We're probably looking at a dusting, maybe an inch or so, something like that, if we're lucky. But that will move through tomorrow. Then we have a brief cold shot coming in on Thursday, very brief, because then we warm up by Friday, and then we may have some mixed precipitation late Friday, maybe again late Sunday. It's kind of a roller coaster weather pattern for us. Here's the latest in a series of systems that will be making its way through. It's got a little bit of a punch to it right now, a clipper that's moving through the Great Lakes, but the deal with these systems, if you're going to get anything substantial, you have to stay to the north of a system, and I think in our case, this will be moving over our region, so we may be a little bit too far south to get any major accumulations, but ski country may do well with this system. The other thing you're going to notice is that we have a new weather pattern now to our south. The areas that were seeing snow last week are seeing warm temperatures today, warm enough, in fact, to be getting thunderstorms and even some tornadoes that are going to be moving across the Gulf Coast states over the next couple of days. And eventually, that energy will make its way towards us again by Friday, with maybe some rain here, it looks like, but there could be a little snow mixing in later towards Friday evening. We'll follow that as we go through the week ahead. Here's the cold air. You'll notice it's getting smaller and smaller now, that colder air mass. It is still over the northeast, but we've been warming up across our nation's midsection, down towards the Gulf Coast, southeastern states. We're up into the 60s now today for highs earlier on, and we're still doing pretty good in the upper 50s down there. So a bit of a late January, early February thaw setting up, a bit of a change in the pattern, I think. Not here yet, though. We're still pretty chilly out here today. It's been nice in the sun, but now that the sun is setting, temperatures are cooling down again, generally in the low 30s, also some lower 20s out towards the Berkshires. This is where you're going to see the best chance of accumulation tonight. I think maybe in the order of 3, 4, 5 inches of snow out there. But for us, probably a lot lighter. That is why, by the way, we have winter weather advisories out for parts of western Massachusetts, and also it looks like winter storm watches up in Vermont, winter storm warnings, as a matter of fact, towards ski country. So up there, a nice fresh dousing of snow for them. And you can see on the map tomorrow, again, most of the snowfall is northern New England. We'll see some maybe early, but temperatures will be warming pretty quickly tomorrow, so anything that's around early in the morning will be long gone by the time we get to tomorrow afternoon, as highs jump into the mid-40s for your Wednesday. It'll be a bit breezy. Now, Thursday, again, it cools down. We're back below freezing. We're chilly on Thursday night. But Friday, warming up again, back in the mid-40s with some rainfall that will come in, and that rain may mix with and change to some snow late Friday night and first thing Saturday. Saturday will dry out, be a cold weekend for the most part. Again, we may see some rain or snow by late Sunday.